What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode. Guess what, y'all? I think we are at the end of the bacterial bloom. This is day 5 of the bacterial bloom. Now you can actually see the beta who killed the mollies. So, for all those YouTubers that put that information on YouTube saying that betas can live with mollies, guess what? That would be a no. Look at that beta. He just chilling right through the murk. He done killed off 2 mollies. That guy right there. I'm ready to take him back to the store because I just don't like how he acts. But anyway, this is not about him. Next video you might see, he won't be here. Oh, look at my plecos. One of them, he just chilling. Oh, the other one's right there. They chilling. See what he gonna do with them. But look at that tank. Look at that tank. Hold on. Let's get a close up. I'm hyped. Because it's been a journey, y'all. I mean, if you watch my videos, you see it's been a journey. It has been a journey. Let me see if we can get a close-up. I'm recording from the iPhone, so let's see how I can keep this theatrical. Look. Is he messing with them? I'm taking him back to the store, bro. I think he's a troublemaker. Anyway, bacterial bloom. We almost at the end. You see it. Tank's not as clear as I would like it to be. But here, let's give a shout out to the products that I feel like has worked and helped me get through the bacterial bloom. Shout out to PetSmart. Shout out to Temper. Shout out to Rachel. Yeah, Walter. Yeah, hey, look, they help your boy out. All right, let's keep it real. I feel like this is the only thing that worked. The Ready Start Nutrifying Bacteria Starter. Put this in your tank for 5 days and voila. Look at that. Take a look at the other videos. You'll see. Hey, it's been a journey. I never thought we'd get here. That beta, hey, bro, you can't stay. You killing off the color in my tank. You trying to be a solo act. I don't like it. Then you trying to mess with my plecos. Anyway, that's where we at, y'all. I'm going to keep it brief because I'm excited. You know, I went through a lot. Kept getting the water tested. I mean, that beta do look good, but hey, look, man. I don't like murderers, man. Anyway, we come a long way. Bacterial bloom. Look at my pleco. Chilling. Go ahead, bro. Look at him. Where he at? Let's get a close-up on him. He trying to eat. He trying to live. Here come the beta. What is the beta doing? Hey, dog, you out of here. You mess with the plecos. All right, we got to get rid of this beta, y'all. But, hey, look. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for sticking with me. I'm going to keep this video brief, nice and short. Stick it out. If you're in the middle of the bacterial bloom, stick it out. You got a new tank and your tank suddenly get cloudy. That is the bacterial bloom. Get yourself some of this top fin, Head Start, Ready Start, Nutrifying. Some of this top fin, Ready Start, Nutrifying Bacterial Starter. Use it for 5 days. And look, you'll start killing off, or you'll start nutrifying your tank and getting it ready. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. See you in the next video when this tank is super clear. I think that's going to be by tomorrow. We're on day 5 of the bacterial bloom, and I'm excited. Peace. Get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over, because it will in one day. All right, y'all. See you in the next video, but you will not see this guy. He is leaving. Where is he at? Where is he at? Let's give him his couple of minutes of fame. All right, y'all. The beta has left the building. Peace.